Chapter 4: Loading printed vinyl. First, power on the vinyl cutter by flicking the switch to the on position. Insert your printed vinyl sheet face up into the front of the cutter. It is important that the orientation matches that on the computer screen. Align the bottom edge with the guide stickers and fit the sheet between the two sticker sheet guides, either the 2A4 or 2A3 guides depending on the size you are using. The vinyl sheet should also sit beneath two of the sheet's sensors for the material size you are using. Now, slide one pinch roller onto the vinyl sheet so that the wheel sits on the edge. Repeat this with the other pinch roller. Lower the clamp, located on the right-hand side of the cutter, so that it is in the locked position. Then, press the leaf button to load the material. The next step is to position the red dot in the corner of the registration mark it is closest to. To do this, use the arrow keys on the top of the vinyl cutter until the dot sits in the corner of the registration mark as shown. Once in place, press the Enter button. If you have followed the steps correctly, the cutter should detect the mark. If it doesn't, start again and reload your material. Once the mark is detected, press the Remote button. Now you can proceed to Chapter 5: Cutting printed vinyl.